remove her freckles. So I'm gonna use this image again. And as you can see, she has a lot of freckles. And yeah, oh my God, what? This is just perfect. qwen-image-edit is finally here, and we already have the GGUF versions. I'm gonna show it later in the video how you use it and make it work. But now let's see a few examples, because this thing is very interesting. Give this penguin a pair of glasses. As you can see, it does work. Very, very nice. Give this woman a pair of headphones. If you don't know, this is a Flux Korea image. Yes, very nice. Change the text qwen-image to qwen-image-edit. Didn't work. For some reason, I can't make text editing work in this particular workflow. Give her a white dress. This model is particularly good at clothes swapping. It's just impressive. Look at this. Give her an medieval armor. Yeah, pretty good. Now, you might be wondering, can it do it? The answer is yes, it can. Not perfect, but it can. I'm sure with some Loras, it can be much, much better. I think this model shows its best when doing some Photoshop related tasks, like remove her freckles. So I'm gonna use this image again. And as you can see, she has a lot of freckles. And yeah, oh my God, what? This is just perfect. Change her hair color to black. Oh yes, I think I have a preference. This is much, much better. Now let's see if it can do some art styles. Make her anime style. Yes, it can. But now, how can you do this? First, you have to update your ComfyUI, but don't use the manager. Go to your ComfyUI folder and then do a git pull. So activate your ComfyUI environment and then do a git pull, or git pull origin master if that doesn't work. So after you do a git pull into your ComfyUI, you need to pip install -r requirements.txt. Then you need to update your custom nodes. Go into your custom nodes folder and you need to update this ComfyUI GGUF. So go into here and do the same. Git pull or git pull origin master, and then pip install -r requirements.txt. So after you've done that, you should be good to go. So after you do that update, you need to go to here and download the models. If you have the qwen-image text encoder and VAE, you don't have to download them again because it's the same, okay? But in order to make the text encoder work, you have to download this mmproj version of this text encoder. You're gonna find it here. Download this, put it into your models, text encoders, and rename with the same name of your text encoder. So in my case, it's Q4KS, so rename it to Q4KS. That's it. That should make it work. Obviously, you're also gonna need the qwen-image-edit model, so you download that. I'm using this one and put it into your ComfyUI folder, models, unit. If you want, you can speed up considerably the generation if you use the qwen-image Lightning Lora. So I highly recommend using this. So what do we have here? We have the load image, this Flux Kontext image scaler, so it can scale the image to a corresponding working size for Flux Kontext, but also works with qwen-image. I tried without it and it's not a good idea. And then you're gonna put your unit loaders here and the clip loaders, GGUF, and choose your models. And then the VAE and the Lightning Lora. So it's pretty much it. Make sure you select the corresponding steps that matches your Lora. In my case, it's 4 steps. And that's it. Let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.